And if you can't see me, then just let me know and then I'll move. Okay, so this is for anybody who's really got bad tangles, and I'm going to show you, these aren't the worst tangles, but if you have like dreadlocks, I'm going to show you the best way to do it. So what you're going to do is take sections from the bottom, work your way up, okay? And you want to be clean. So if you have a clip, just clip it out of the way. And grab a brush. Now, sometimes a detangling brush won't work because the knots are so matted, so you need to take your time. So I would spray this with a really good detangling spray first. Whatever you have. Look at reviews online to see what has the best reviews, and I would go with that. So you're going to really saturate the hair, okay? And if you want to leave it, like if you want to saturate the whole head first, or the really bad areas, do that, and then you can leave it for 5-10 minutes, okay? And then go in and start combing it out. So I'm going to show you. So let's say your matted knots are from, even if it's all the way up down to the bottom of the hair. So you're going to start. You might need a brush like this, or a pick comb or something, a wide tooth comb, because these brushes may not work. Where did I put it? Oh, it's in my pocket. These bristles might not be strong enough to separate. Try it. If it doesn't work, you might need to go in with something a little stronger, okay? So you're gonna start really at the bottom, and you're just gonna take your time, because it's gonna take time, okay? You really need to break up those knots, okay? And just squeeze it, hold it, and then just move your way up a little bit. And just start from where the tangles are, okay? And you might need to pick at it more. There's some bad tangles in here, and I'll show you, but just giving you the idea, okay? And you just keep working up, go as high as you can, okay? And then just tilt the head down. So now at this point, you're just gonna rotate your wrist, okay? Just like that. Now you can push it up against the scalp, okay? And just squeeze it and begin to brush, okay? At that point, you should be able to slide the hair down, even if you can slide this hair down enough where you can get the Tanglegripper above it just to finish it off. So I'm just going to repeat this for you so you can see. But when you have matted tangles, don't think you're going to get through it in minutes, because it's just not going to happen. It doesn't matter what you use. The Tanglegripper is going to help you minimize the pain and the time, okay? So just make sure you're sectioning the hair, get through what you can. Just keep it nice and neat and tidy, and don't move up until you're done. Okay, so now you're just gonna keep repeating. Do the same steps. Spray the heck out of it with detangling spray. Make sure you really saturate it. I don't have much left, but you get the idea, okay? Get it in there good. And just separate the section, keep it nice and clean. And if you have to start right here at the very end, just do it. You might need one of these brushes, okay? We sell them on our website. We're going to be putting them on the website. One has a wide tooth and then the other one has a finer tooth. Always start off with the wider tooth, okay? And they're not like this, but it's similar. And then if you need to finish it off, you can use the finer tooth. That's it. Move up a couple inches at a time until you're done. You might not be able to get through them this quick because these aren't as severe, but this is the idea behind it. So you just squeeze it and continue, okay? Get up as high as you can, and then just rotate your wrist and push it against the scalp. That way you can get as high as you want, and then push down a little bit if you can get that, and then finish off. That's it.